Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about Nuxt 3 Server API. So Nuxt comes with an API, and an API is an application programming interface. It's just a way for us to communicate. It's a way of a communication between two computers. So the way this works, if you look at Nuxt, you can read this and it will tell you about what how to create an API in Nuxt. So, but let's see exactly how we can do this. So I have here a fresh installation of a Nuxt 3 application. So the first thing that you want to do is we have our app.view here, and this is just the Nuxt welcome. That is the default component, starter component. So first you want to have multi-pages. So you want to create a pages folder, and then we're just going to call this page index, that is the home page. And then we're going to create a template. This is the view file, and I'm just going to do that, and then have an h1 there. We'll just call it home page. Okay. When we go to our app.view page and we change this to Nuxt page, and we might have to restart our application here. Let's see if this works. If I go to the front here, it's restarting Nuxt. There, we have our home page. Okay, now we're free to create a server API, and that's the reason, because we have changed our app from being a single page application. So a server, an API is a back end thing, so we won't be doing any work on the front end. And the way this works, first we have to create a server folder. So right here, just gonna create server folder. I don't see it. Gonna call that server, and then right within server we're gonna create API. Actually, an API folder like that. All right, and then let's start with something. Let's call it. I'm gonna close that. We're gonna call this. We're just gonna say hello. Hello.typescript. Right. This is an example that the Nuxt 3 site gives you that you can use, and let's take a look at it. So here it is. We're gonna just copy that, and then paste it. Okay, so what this means is that when we hit this hello endpoint, we're gonna return API-works, right? So let's try that. This is completely backend. So what we're gonna do here is, oh, I think I'm in the way here. I need to get Postman. Here we are. Postman is a tool that you can use to test APIs. So we're gonna send a GET request to localhost 3000. That's where the app is running. That's the port of the app right now. Here, 3000. You can take a look at it here in your right there, localhost 3000. And then all we want to do is send a GET request to API hello. So we go to here and we just do that. Ooh, that API hello, a GET request to API hello. And what do we get? Oh, it's saying page not found. That is not supposed to be like that. Let's see what the problem might be. We have to restart the server. Let's do that. We're gonna restart the server. Okay, once we restart the server, let's take a look at it. All right, now this works. See, so that's how you build an API, and you can build something a little more complex here than just this. So for example, we built this authentication starter app right with Nuxt, with the server API. So if you take a look at this code, for example, this is a lot more advanced here. So we have server, we have an authentication folder, refresh tokens, users, and all this is built with Nuxt 3. There's no backend, like there's no Supabase or Firebase. All this is built with Nuxt 3. And if you want to learn how to build that, just stick around. So for example, if let's say we were trying to get, I think, yeah, it's on this. If we changed servers here, we're now running this authenticated app. So let's say you wanted to get to API IAM, stands for Identity and Access Management, and say you wanted to, let's just take a look at all the users, right? Try to get all the users. You're going to say fail, forbidden. I mean, you can build a powerful authenticated app with Nuxt, and what we've built here, which is completely free, is this Nuxt 3 authentication app. I'm going to show you what it looks like again. No, this one here, and it protects your APIs as well. It's really, really powerful, and it can be yours absolutely free. So, but if you want something simpler, we do have this. Hold on here. Yeah, we do have a simpler Nuxt 3 application. Just click the link below and you can get yourself a free Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit. I'm trying to start it here, but let me actually show you what it looks like. I have so many apps running. I'm gonna pause this video for a little bit. Okay, here's the app. So we have this beautiful Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit, and it comes with pages. It comes with a layout, a composable, some components, and some task script just to help you get started building your own Nuxt 3 starter kit. But if you want something more advanced that is completely built for you with pages and authentication, then you can take a look at this. But so just click the link below this video. We're gonna have this starter kit for you. Many people have already gotten access to it, so if you want it, it's yours completely free. Comes with this and it can help you get started. All right, so I hope you like this video. We're gonna make some more videos on server route, so you can really on server API, so you can see how Nuxt 3 works. It's a really, really beautiful app. All right, I'll talk to you soon.